Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Hood Property and welcome to our 60-second wrap-up of the real estate market here on the Sunshine Coast. August marked the third month in a row that we saw a decline in the number of sales, but interestingly, it was the first month in some time that we've actually seen a decline in the number of new listings coming to market. What that means is that buyers need to be reminded that new properties don't always come in a flurry during the spring season, and it's best to act now. The trend is continuing where we're seeing well-priced and well-presented properties still do exceptionally well in the marketplace. And a great example is 7 Bonneville Court in Peregian Springs, where we've had an increased number at open homes as well as second inspections. So if you're considering selling, please make the effort to get your home well organised and well marketed, ready for sale. So as always, if you're considering buying or selling, or you know someone who is, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Alternatively, keep an eye on our socials and we'll keep you up to date with what's happening, as well as all the events for the upcoming month.